Hello class 5, welcome to history lecture. Today we are doing with the chapter Age of Revolution, and today we will do the last topic of this chapter, that is reforms of the assembly. Reforms of the National Assembly. There we will see the backdrop, we will see the National Assembly. We have already discussed about the National Assembly, and there we have seen that the National Assembly was formed by the people of the Third Estate. And we see that this Third Estate people took the oath in Tennis Court on 20th of June. They took the oath 1789 that they will not separate unless a new constitution was formed for them. Still, we see that even after this, the king and the first two estates were adamant not to listen to the demand of the people of Third Estate. They did not listen to the demand of the people of the National Assembly. And in this situation, what happened? We see that the people stormed the Bastille, or raised to the or attacked the Bastille, and it was razed to the ground. We have also seen the fall of Bastille, how the common people attacked and started breaking the Bastille, and this marked the end of the monarchical power. So with the end of monarchy, as monarchy became so weak with the fall of Bastille, the people came to capture the Palace of Versailles, the central jail, that is the Bastille. Everything came under the control of the common people. As the people of the Third Estate became more powerful, they now wanted to bring about certain reforms. Reforms means some rules and laws for betterment of France, for giving more power to the common people. So in this situation, what we see, a number of reforms were passed. A number of reforms were passed, and what we see is that they were willing to frame the new constitution for France. In this situation, we see that these people adopted the most important declaration, that is the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizens. Remember this is very important. That is, the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizens was adopted. That is, a man and citizen means the people of France would be given more power. So this was adopted. This is the most famous declaration which was adopted by the reforms of the National Assembly. And we see that they also framed the constitution in 1791. They framed the Constitution of France. Constitution of France was framed, and we see that in this constitution, and constitution means the book of law, where all the laws are written down or jotted down for ruling the country. So here what we see, people were given more power, and the Constitution of France was formed. And we see that the most important reform of the assembly, National Assembly, was that it ensured the people liberty, equality and fraternity. These were the main cry of the French people. Remember these three things very well. Liberty means freedom, equality means equal status for all, and fraternity means brotherhood. These three things you remember very well. It often comes in question. What were the three main demands of the French people? Then you have to write liberty, equality and fraternity. Now we see that these were the demand for the French Revolution, and when the reforms of the National Assembly started, when the people of the Third Estate became more powerful, now they got the liberty, equality and fraternity. Rules and laws were passed through which liberty, equality and fraternity were given to the people. And the most important thing was that the constitution was formed by which France was declared as a democratic republic. Previously we know that in France there was monarchy, and Louis XVI was the king, was the monarch. But after this, as the power came into the hands of the people of Third Estate, France was declared as a democratic Republic. Republic means where the people are supposed to gain more power. There will be no king. People will select their own ruler and people will have more power in their hand than the king. So this were basically the reforms of the assembly or reforms of the National Assembly. The National Assembly passed these reforms, and in France the Republic was established. Thank you.